Hey friends, welcome back. Are you ready to try your luck today? Then let's play Choose Your Gift, Gold, Diamond, or Silver Edition. If you're ready, smash the like button, subscribe for more, and let's get started! First round, choose your cake, gold, diamond, or silver. Next, choose your tattoo. This one's interesting. Which gift box are you going to take? Choose your savings. Number 5, choose your watch. Choose your house. Don't choose the bad one. Choose your ice cream. Choose your phone case, gold, diamond, or silver. Next, choose your pet. Number 10, choose your gaming mouse. Choose your jewelry. Pick your bicycle, gold, diamond, or silver. Choose your pen. Next, choose your jet. Don't just choose one color all over again. Number 16, choose your outfit. Next, choose your dessert. Pick your bathroom. Number 19, choose your gaming room. Choose your musical instrument. Choose your bedroom, gold, diamond, or silver. Next, choose your sunglasses. Choose your tablet. Don't choose the wrong gift. Choose your donuts. This is gonna be yummy. Number 25. Choose your ring. Choose your motorcycle. Gold, diamond, or silver. Choose your gaming console. Next, choose your yacht. Choose your office. Choose your AirPods, gold, diamond, or silver. Number 31. Choose your dream car. Choose your gaming chair. Choose your sneakers, left, middle, or right. Next, choose your burger. Choose your roller skates, gold, diamond, or silver. Pick your laptop. Number 37. Choose your perfume. Choose your champagne. Next, choose your phone. Choose your backpack, gold, diamond, or silver. Number 41. Choose your nails. Pick your milkshake. Choose your cupcakes, gold, diamond, or silver. Next, choose your candy. Number 45. Choose your toy. Choose your kitchen. Choose your teddy bear: gold, diamond, or silver. Choose your umbrella. Number 49. Choose your clock. Last one. What would you choose? Thank you for watching the video, and now it's time to pick your next challenge and be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting quizzes. Catch you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.